So I'm testing my different settings in my little GoPro Hero 7. So we'll see. What I have to do is get ready for Saturday, so I'm going to be in the gallery Saturday afternoon. It'll be great. I've got to bring in, I think I'm going to try and bring in this painting. I don't have the frame yet, and I don't think I want to have it until first of next week, but I would like to put it in the gallery and just say it's unframed, and so much framed, it's so much more. Then pause this. I'm learning this thing anyway. So let's go to this spot. I'm going to show you what else I'm going to take. This painting, which is going to be at the gallery for a little bit, but I'm going to enter that into the show, or try to get it into the American Impression Society show. Wish me luck. This is on a linear video rather than wide, so I'm not sure what the difference is. Didn't really explain it too well. This is another one, and I might put that in too. It's you can't really see it too well because of the angle, but that's what it is. I've done this a number of times, and all started with just a scene I remembered, so things like that happen. And then this little guy, I'm going to put that into the gallery. There's a show coming up too, and I might drop that in too, because that was another painting I did on location. And then this is a studio version of a trip to the Badlands a couple of summers ago. So very hot that day, that time. It's like July or something like that. God-forsaken temperatures. Then these guys. This is not going to be shown in the gallery because this is a Teddy Gooch painting, and I don't want to sell that because I need some paintings for the Teddy Gooch show. So that's staying. This I'm not going to take because it's mine, and well, And then this one I'll be framing. This will go into the Teddy Gooch show also. And then this one I did a couple of summers ago. So that's what that is. But a lot of stuff I've been doing is I've been gathering my material for the Teddy Gooch, of course. That's all I'm thinking about right now, because I'm a little nervous that I've got so many waylaid situations but these are also small ones. I hope I get some of these done soon, but yikes. Anyway, so that's my thing here, and I'm going to try and do a nice editing job on this to see what happens. I was going to show myself doing stuff, but I have some issues I have to work out, so maybe next time. So stay tuned, and